So if any of you are coming to explore Oregon in general, get ready for the rain, guys, because this is how it is almost every day. It depends what part of Oregon you are in, especially on the west side of Oregon. It rains a lot. So you better have that raincoat ready, you better have your sweater ready, because even the wind here, the wind is stupid cold, you guys. So you're gonna have to get geared up for that. And believe me, you gotta stay warm here, and you better have good shoes or boots to go through the water, because those puddles, they get big.